Morning everybody, I'm Andrew and it's a freezing cold Sunday morning in January. I'm here in Norwich and I'm heading out to meet my mate Dave. It's got to be -3, if not less today. It's really cold, a hard frost and it's really misty. We're going to head out on our mountain bikes today and what was going to be quite a muddy and wet ride I think actually might turn out to be a bit improved with the frozen ground. Fingers crossed we might not get quite so muddy as we have done in previous rides. Onward to Dave's house. It really is proper frosty this morning. Hard frost on all the windscreens of the cars that I can see. So I have to take it easy. Watch out for that black ice. Cool, that is proper hard ice.
Today's bike route starts at Dussindale, east of Norwich, and we're exploring points along the River Yare, including the Marinas at Brundall and Brundall Gardens, before venturing down to the RSPB Buckenham Marshes. We pick up the route heading to the Old Surlingham ferry crossing.
Nothing like starting the ride off wet. Cool. Right down there.
You've got your image stabilisation on.
Rider stabilisation. Not quite iced up yet. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, that's nice. It's pretty high water though, isn't it? Yeah. Cool. Whoa! Oh, right. Oh. Cool, that was close. Yeah. Oh. Bloody hell, look how deep it is. I'm glad he's going first. Yeah. Is this running parallel to that? Give it a go. Oh, barrier. Another one of Norfolk's secret locations. Oh, look at that old boat. Is that a path up there? Oh, that's the route. What's up there? I don't suppose we can get up there though, can we? Is that a gate? Is that like a...
I think we can get over the bridge, yeah.
Should we give it a go?
Yeah.
Oh, adventures in Norfolk. If we were any good, we would ride our bikes down the other side. But we're not. Should men in their 50s really be doing this? Yeah. Interesting old sign there. Any person who omits to shut the gate and fasten the gate is liable to a penalty not exceeding 40 shillings. Got 40 shillings on you, Dave? Better shut the gate then. Clear. Which way? Brundall Marina. I don't think this mist is going to lift, is it? I think it's pretty much set for the day. Yeah, I think the temperature's going to be minus until at least midday, and I don't think, if this doesn't lift, I don't think it'll climb. So, Dussindale, Norfolk. That's a nice little boathouse.
Halfway up this hill now.
Just going to head down to the River Yare, go and see the wildlife, hopefully. Might see some birds, and probably have to call it a day there. I think we'll make that our objective. Yeah, unfortunately, the temperature is playing havoc with the battery life, and although I've got 2 spare, they've both gone flat already.
Been down here on a bike.
Last time I came down here, I was on 23mm tyres on aero wheels.
Maybe look about 10 miles long.
How's your bike ride? It's not too brisk today.
We came down here about 6 weeks ago, my wife and I, and we saw 13 water deer. Yeah, they're all over. They're just not together, all just dotted around. Beautiful, yeah.
I thought it was 3, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I came down here and I did that camp down at the
Yeah,
the pump there. I could hear a deer,
yeah.
and it was like barking away, but it was a funny sound.
Yeah.
It wasn't like a normal, regular deer.
You get monks. I don't think so many monks out around here. You get a few roe deer.
Roe deer, yeah.
Chinese water deer, those ones with the fangs.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Just having a chewy cereal bar. It's so cold, it's completely like, it's like eating granite. Oh. The batteries are suffering today because it's so cold. The batteries are losing their charge super quick. So I'll probably call it a day at that, just in case we don't get back to Norwich with any battery life. So we leave you here at the River Yare in Norfolk. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.